Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control your Audi A7. Launch control allows for maximum acceleration from a standstill, providing an exhilarating driving experience. It's designed to optimize traction and engine power delivery. Before you begin, always ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment, away from public roads. This feature is intended for track use or closed courses only, prioritizing safety above all else. To activate launch control in your Audi A7 first, select the dynamic drive mode. Next, you'll need to deactivate the electronic stabilization control, or ESC, by pressing and holding the ESC button for a few seconds until it's fully off. With these settings engaged, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, then quickly and fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. The engine RPMs will stabilize at an optimal level. Once the engine RPMs are stable and you're ready, quickly release the brake pedal. Your Audi A7 will then launch with maximum power, minimizing wheel spin. It's crucial to maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel to control the vehicle's direction. The car's advanced systems will manage the initial power delivery, but be prepared for rapid acceleration. Enjoy the thrill of a perfectly executed launch. For optimal performance and longevity, allow your Audi A7's engine and transmission to cool down after using launch control. This helps prevent excessive wear on components. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions and any model year variations. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to unwind after an exciting drive, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.